Kimchi is a traditional Korean dish made from fermented vegetables, most commonly napa cabbage. Here's a basic recipe for making your own kimchi. Ingredients: 1 head of napa cabbage, about 2 pounds, 1/4 cup of sea salt, 4 cloves of garlic, minced 1 teaspoon of ginger, minced 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of Korean chili pepper flakes, gochugaru, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1/4 cup of water, 4 to 5 green onions, chopped into 1-inch pieces, 1 small daikon radish, peeled and cut into matchsticks. Instructions: cut the cabbage into quarters lengthwise and remove the core. Cut each quarter into bite-sized pieces, about 2 inches wide. In a large bowl, mix the cabbage with the sea salt until it's evenly coated. Let it sit for 2 hours, flipping the cabbage every 30 minutes to make sure it's evenly salted. Rinse the cabbage well with cold water to remove the salt. Drain the cabbage in a colander for 30 minutes. In a separate bowl, mix the garlic, ginger, sugar, chili pepper flakes, fish sauce, and water to make a paste. Add the green onions and daikon radish to the paste and mix well. Add the cabbage to the paste mixture and toss until the cabbage is evenly coated. Pack the kimchi into a clean glass jar or container, pressing down firmly to remove any air pockets. Leave the kimchi at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, then taste it to see if it's sour enough for your liking. If it's not sour enough, let it ferment for another day or 2. Once it's fermented to your liking, refrigerate the kimchi. It will continue to ferment slowly in the refrigerator, but at a much slower rate. Enjoy your homemade kimchi as a side dish, in stews, or with rice.